Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. In today's video, I need some help, and hopefully some of you can get some help if you hit up the comments section and let people know what you need. Today we're talking about the coach's first Lego League pin, okay? If you're not sure what I'm talking about, these guys, super powered, into orbit, okay? They're just a really cool, memento of your first Lego League season. And I have every one that I have participated in except City Shaper. So I need your guys' help. And, you guys might help each other along the way too if you, in the comments section, let folks know which one you need or if you're missing any. Love to get my hands on the City Shaper one. I participated as a coach in that first Lego League season, but I don't know where my coach's pin went. Okay? It's just really cool to display them and just kind of reminisce of all the fun that you had with that particular theme. So if you're out there, if you have City Shaper, I'm going to throw my email down in the, I'll throw my email right here, but the link is going to be in the comment section. Sorry, in the description. Let me know. I'll swap out, we'll trade, I'll pay for shipping. I don't know what I did with my City Shaper coach's pin, but I will do anything that I can to get my hands on that. I'll swap out, I'll pay for shipping. I was just really disappointed when I was going through all of my pins and didn't find that one. I'm like, that was like my favorite one. And so if you're out there, go ahead and dig through yours. I'd love for you to be able to throw it in the comments section if you still have yours. I'd really, really love to get my hands on that, okay? And then definitely in the comments section, let me know or let other folks know if you need a pin and, maybe we can figure out a swap, we can figure out something. You guys will have to figure it out on your end with emails or something, addresses. But I'd really love to get that City Shaper pin, okay? So sorry this video wasn't super helpful, but it can be if you're looking for a pin and would love to get your hands on one, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.